When the vacuum is ready to be cleaned, it automatically drives itself to the cleaning base. When the vacuum is engaged on the charging platform, the cleaning cycle begins. Unlike regular vacuum cleaners, with the self-cleaning app-enabled robotic vacuum cleaner, you can schedule daily, weekly, or impromptu cleanings from your smartphone or computer. You can get a notification that your vacuum has started, finished, or is being cleaned. You can track stats on how long vacuuming occurred, how much dirt was collected, and when your vacuum cleaning base needs to be emptied. And with the onboard streaming camera, you can even watch in real time as your vacuum cleans. When your vacuum is done cleaning, simply open the dust drawer and empty the contents.